Welcome back to Hackney, everyone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss an update on all the latest in automotive and two-wheeled innovations. Today, we're diving into something really exciting for all you scooter lovers out there. We're talking about the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155. This is one scooter that's been generating a lot of buzz, and we're about to break down everything you need to know. From its engine performance to design upgrades, and of course, the all-important tech features. We've got it all covered in today's video. The 2025 Yamaha Aero X 1055 is turning heads with its impressive upgrades and features. If you've been following Yamaha's journey, you know that the brand has a knack for delivering scooters that combine performance, design, and technology in a compact and efficient package. The Aero X 185 model year, Yamaha has taken a bold step forward, refining and enhancing this already popular scooter. It's no longer just a commuter vehicle. It's a stylish, high-performance machine that's ready for action on any city street. In this video, we'll go over everything you need to know about the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155. From the exterior design and new styling elements, to the performance upgrades, features, and tech innovations that set it apart from its competition. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 is its sharp, aggressive design. Yamaha has truly elevated the aesthetics of this scooter, making it a standout choice for riders who value both style and substance. Let's start with the front. The Aero X 155's front fascia is bold and dynamic, featuring a sculpted LED headlamp that gives it a futuristic look. The angular lines and smooth curves of the bodywork create a sense of motion, even when the scooter is at a standstill. The air intakes on either side of the front fairing aren't just for show. They serve an important functional purpose, helping cool the engine and improve airflow, making the bike more efficient on long rides. The 2025 model also brings fresh color options, including some exciting new dual-tone finishes. Yamaha has added more metallic hues and striking graphics to give the Aero X 155 a sportier, more aggressive feel. It's clear that Yamaha has worked hard to make sure the Aero X 155 stands out on the streets, with a bold design that appeals to both younger riders and those looking for something more edgy. One of the highlights of the Aero X 155's design is the sleek, lightweight frame that enhances both agility and stability. Whether you're weaving through traffic or cruising on open roads, this frame ensures that the scooter feels responsive and nimble. Now, let's talk about the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 comes with an updated 155cc single-cylinder liquid-cooled engine that is designed for both power and efficiency. This engine is paired with Yamaha's variable valve actuation (VVA) technology, which optimizes performance across a range of speeds, ensuring the flow of power and preventing violent situations and unnecessary technology. This engine is capable of producing a respectable 15 horsepower, which gives it plenty of oomph for urban riding, as well as for more open road exploration. Whether you're accelerating from a stop or cruising at higher speeds, the Aero X 155 offers a responsive and engaging ride. Thanks to the VVA system, the scooter provides a smooth transition between low-end torque and high-end power, making it a versatile option for various riding conditions. Another key aspect of the engine is its fuel efficiency. With the ever-rising fuel prices, Yamaha has ensured that the Aero X 155 remains a wallet-friendly choice for daily commuting. You can expect excellent mileage, which means fewer stops at the pump and more time on the road enjoying the ride. The Aero X 155 is equipped with a smooth automatic CVT that allows for effortless gear transitions. Whether you're starting from a standstill or cruising, the CVT ensures a seamless ride without the need for manual shifting. This is particularly great for city riders who need to stop and go frequently. When it comes to handling, the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 is in a league of its own. The suspension system has been tweaked to offer a better balance between comfort and control. Up front, you'll find telescopic forks which help smooth out bumps and offer excellent front-end stability. In the rear, Yamaha has opted for twin shock absorbers, which provide a comfortable ride even over rough surfaces while ensuring the scooter remains stable at higher speeds. The 2025 Aero X 155's suspension is designed to handle a variety of terrains, from smooth city streets to more uneven roads, offering a balanced ride that's both comfortable and responsive. This, combined with its lightweight chassis, makes the scooter incredibly nimble and easy to handle in traffic, giving you that sense of confidence whether you're navigating tight corners or straightaways. The scooter also boasts improved braking systems. With 213 disc brakes at both the front and rear, you get excellent stopping power, allowing you to confidently brake at higher speeds or in emergency situations. The addition of ABS, anti-lock braking situations, makes the addition of added control during sudden stops, making the Aero X 155 safer to ride in both wet and dry conditions. The 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 comes loaded with cutting-edge technology that enhances the riding experience. One of the most notable features is the fully digital instrument cluster, which displays essential data such as speed, fuel efficiency, trip information, and more. The layout is clean and modern, ensuring that riders can easily read the information at a glance. Yamaha has also integrated Bluetooth connectivity into the 2025 Aero X 155, a feature that many riders will appreciate. With Bluetooth, you can pair your phone to the scooter's system and get real-time notifications, music controls, and call information on your instrument panel. This integration makes the Aero X 155 a perfect choice for those who want to stay connected while on the move. Another impressive tech feature is the Yamaha YaConnect smartphone app, which is compatible with the Aero X 155. This app provides additional information, such as riding history, maintenance reminders, and even fault notifications. It's a great tool for keeping track of the bike's health and performance, ensuring that your scooter stays in top condition for longer. On top of that, the Aero X 155 also comes with a keyless ignition system. With this, you can start the scooter and unlock the seat storage without needing to take the key out of your pocket. It's a simple yet effective convenience feature that adds a level of sophistication to the scooter. For those who plan to use the Aero X 155 for longer rides, comfort is an essential aspect of the design. Yamaha has paid close attention to ergonomics, ensuring that the riding position is comfortable for both short trips and longer journeys. The seat is well padded, with enough room for both the rider and a passenger. It's also designed to be easy to mount and dismount, which is important for daily commuters. The handlebars are positioned at a comfortable height, giving the rider excellent control without straining their arms or shoulders. Even though the Aero X 155 is designed for sporty performance, Yamaha has managed to strike a balance between performance and comfort, making this scooter suitable for a wide range of riders. When it comes to practicality, the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 does not disappoint. It offers ample storage space with a large underseat compartment that can hold a full-face helmet. This makes it an excellent option for daily commuters who need a convenient place to store their gear or personal items while on the move. Additionally, the scooter comes with a USB charging port, so you can keep your devices charged while you're out and about. Now let's talk about the price. The 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 offers an excellent value proposition for riders looking for a high-performance, feature-packed scooter. While prices can vary depending on your region, the Aero X 155 remains competitively priced for what it offers. When you consider the combination of stylish design, powerful engine, advanced technology, and practicality, the Aero X 155 is undoubtedly a solid investment for riders looking to make the most out of their daily commute or weekend rides. To wrap things up, the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 is a scooter that's been meticulously designed to offer the perfect balance of performance, comfort, style, and technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a newcomer to the world of scooters, the Aero X 155 offers something for everyone. With its improved engine performance, upgraded suspension, and modern tech features, this scooter stands out as one of the best options in its segment. If you're looking for a stylish, high-performance scooter that can handle both city commutes and longer rides, the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155 might just be the perfect choice for you. And that's all for today's review of the 2025 Yamaha Aero X 155. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this scooter. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.